Hey everyone, welcome to Smart Machines. Today, we're diving into some of the most impressive industrial machines that are operating at peak efficiency. From AI-powered tractors to autonomous excavators, these machines are changing the game in agriculture, construction, and more. Get ready to see how advanced technology is making these machines smarter, faster, and more eco-friendly than ever before. Let's jump right in. The future of heavy equipment is smart. We're talking about machines with brains. First up, we've got the Monarch Mark V, a self-driving tractor that's not only 100% electric, but also works as a power generator for other machines in the field. Thanks to NVIDIA's Jetson Edge AI platform, it can navigate, avoid obstacles, and even make decisions without human intervention. And then there's the Agbot 5115T2, an autonomous robot that can plow up to 15 acres per hour. This isn't your ordinary plow. It uses advanced sensors and electric motors to work efficiently across the land, adjusting in real time to soil conditions. This level of automation doesn't just save time, it makes the entire process more efficient and sustainable. Efficiency gains. These machines are cutting fuel consumption by 30%. And reducing downtime by 50%, which is a game changer for anyone in the industry. Now, let's talk about precision. These machines are not just powerful, they're highly accurate. Take the Guardian self-propelled sprayer, for example. This sprayer uses laser-guided technology to apply pesticides and fertilizers with pinpoint precision, reducing waste and ensuring every drop lands exactly where it's needed. Or consider the E-Dumper, the world's largest electric dump truck, capable of carrying 65 tons of material without emissions. It even recharges its battery while driving downhill, making it a perfect example of how sustainability can work hand in hand with efficiency. Real-world impact, higher accuracy, lower operational costs, eco-friendly, without sacrificing performance. Heavy-duty construction machinery is getting smarter and stronger. The Komatsu D475, a bulldozer, is an absolute beast that can reshape entire landscapes in a matter of hours. It moves massive amounts of earth quickly and efficiently, keeping projects on track and on schedule. Then there's the Tigercat LS855E, a forest harvester that's built to work on rough terrain. Its 300 horsepower engine and innovative control system allow it to work in the most challenging environments, making forestry operations safer and more efficient. For demolition, the Epiroc CB7500 concrete breaker takes on the toughest concrete structures, no sweat. It turns even the hardest materials into dust with ease, making construction and demolition a breeze. VNBN MIC NH. Farming is no longer just about hard work, it's about working smarter. For example, Robot 1 uses 14 cameras and dual GPS antennas to automatically scan fields, identify weeds, and apply treatments when necessary. Forget the days of manual weeding. This robot does it all for you, efficiently and accurately. In the vineyard, the OXO 6030 is revolutionizing grape picking. This multi-purpose machine can handle steep slopes and rough terrain, and is fully customizable for a variety of vineyard needs. Whether it's a 3-row sprayer or a front-loading tool rack, it will help increase your yield and improve the quality of your grapes. Handling materials is easier and safer than ever with the latest innovations in logistics. Take the flat cat equipment trailer, for instance. It features a hydraulically driven torsion bar suspension, making it easier to load and transport equipment with precision and stability. Whether you're hauling heavy machinery or delicate equipment, this trailer is built to handle it all. For moving huge loads in tight spaces, the Smithco side dump trailer is unbeatable. Its automated load balance system ensures that every load is distributed safely and efficiently, saving time and improving safety on the job site. In construction, excavation and trenching are essential tasks that require powerful machines capable of handling tough conditions. The BRA T35B trencher is a 3-row trenching machine that can quickly dig complex trenches and adjust to different ground conditions. Its advanced technology and reliable design allow it to dig trenches faster and more efficiently than ever before. Moving on to construction, where multi-purpose machinery is also making waves, the Gallet TRX 800, a self-propelled crawler-mounted mulcher, is a prime example of construction machinery that handles a variety of tasks. It's perfect for clearing land, reclaiming terrain, and even crushing stones, making it ideal for projects that involve large-scale land clearing. With its 765 horsepower engine, it can take on even the toughest jobs in remote areas without breaking a sweat. So, there you have it. From multi-purpose agricultural machines to advanced construction tools, these modern machines are changing industries across the board. They're not just getting the job done, they're getting it done faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Which of these multi-purpose machines do you think would be a game changer on your job site? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.